Half of the sum of two numbers is 12, while 1/4 of their product is 35. Find the numbers. Let the numbers be x and y. So in the question, we are told that half the sum of two numbers is 12. Half the sum, okay? So that will be 1/2 of what? X plus y equals 12. So at this point, we can say this is over 1. So we can easily what? Cross multiply, okay? So 1 times everything here will give you what? X plus y equals 2 times 12 will give you what? 24. While 1/4 of their product is 35. 1/4 of their product. So that will be 1/4 into what? Xy is what? 35. So we can say this is over 1. So that we can easily what? Cross multiply. So 1 times everything here will give you what? Xy equals 4 times 145 will give you what? 140. Okay, so this becomes equation 1 and this becomes equation 2. So we say from equation 1, which is what? X plus y equals 24. By application, y becomes what? 24. When x crosses the equal sign, it becomes minus x. So we call this equation 3. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to say substitute equation 3 in equation 2. Equation what? 2. Okay, so it becomes x. Now wherever you see y, you put 24 minus x there. 24 minus x equals what? 140. So x times 24, that's 24x. X times minus x will give you minus x squared equals 140. Now this equation can also be written as minus x squared plus 24x. Then when 140 crosses the equal sign, becomes minus 140 equals 0. So at this point, we're going to say multiply through by minus 1. What do I mean? Minus 1 times minus x squared becomes what? X squared. Minus 1 times 24x will give you minus 24x. Minus 1 times 140 will give you plus 140 equals 0. Okay, so at this point, we're going to open two brackets like this. Equals what? 0. So you put x here, only put x here. At this point, we need two numbers such that when we multiply them, we get 140, and then when we add them up, we get minus 24. So the numbers are minus 14 and minus 10. So let's confirm. Minus 14 times minus 10 will give you 140. Minus 14 plus minus 10 will give you minus 24. So meaning we're on track. So you come here and say either x minus 14 equals 0. It implies that x equals 14, or x minus 10 equals 0. It implies that x equals 10. So the two numbers are what? 14 and 10. 14 and 10 are the two numbers. Okay, so let's confirm. 14 plus 10 is 24. Half of 24 will give you 12. Okay, then 14 times 10 will give you 140. So meaning our answer is correct. Thank you.